Hello YouTube, I'm Jérôme Renogou, and today we're gonna do a video on how I do an underwater video. Part 5, color coding and file resizing. I'm gonna start to organize my files together, so I will use 4 video lines and I will keep, for example, the nudie branch in the bottom. A little bit higher I will put the crabs, next one I will put the shrimps, then the mollusk, and finally I will put the fish. Squat, lobster and crabs I will put together on line 2, mollusk I said on 4, 4 again, 4, squat 2, shrimp 3, shrimp 3. I have many skeleton shrimp shots, so hopefully I can do something with it. I even have the shot of the 2 skeleton having sex. It takes a little time to organize the files, but later on it's going to be very useful to have all of the files organized by animal. So that's what I'm doing right now. Next, when all of the animals will be together like it is now, I will select them and make small groups with the videos. I'm stacking my sequences together to have my animals organized by species. Okay, now that my files are organized, I will be able to color code it. So what I do, I select the group of videos, right click on label, and then I can just put a color for my animals. This will be very helpful later on when we want to work on the files and put them together. We'll know directly the species when we see the color. Now they're all color coded, so purple will be for my nudie branch, blue for the shrimp, green for the crab. I will resize my files. So depending on the shot I have and if I want super macro or less, I will be able to decide which size is my animal. At the same time, I will be able to cut the sequence again a little bit, because sometimes it will feel a little bit too long, or the scene that was good is going to be a little bit different than what we had before. So, depending on the files, I will go from 50% to 100%, and I can also work on the framing. So I can move them left to right or up and down. A little bit more resizing. This shrimp seems to be good at 50% or so. Even when using 100%, my scenes will still have a full resolution on Full HD. I'm finishing the resizing process as well as reframing my shots. In the next section, I will do color correction. If you like this video, don't hesitate to put a like, a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye, see you next time.